Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about fry fish recipe. This recipe is so easy. If you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. So let's get started. We have half kg fish. In spices we have 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon gram masala, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, 1 tablespoon carom seed I weigh in, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Now take a bowl and add 4 to 5 tablespoon gram flour. Add all spices. One tablespoon ginger garlic paste. If you have corn flour, you can also add 2 tablespoons. Mix all ingredients. Gradually add water and make a thick paste. Add salt according to taste. Now coated all fish slices. Marinate it 20 to 30 minutes. Hope you enjoy my video. If you haven't subscribed my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned, we will be right back with one more delicious recipe. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.